Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to program your Jeep Liberty Key fob using an easy, do-it-yourself method. Before we dive in, please make sure you have at least one currently working remote control for your vehicle. Also, gather any new or additional remotes you want to program. It is important that all vehicle doors are closed and the driver's seatbelt is securely fastened for the procedure to work correctly. Let's get started. To enter programming mode, first, insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, which is just before cranking the engine. Wait patiently for the ignition chimes to stop. Next, take your working remote. Press and hold its unlock button for a duration of 4 to 10 seconds. While still holding the unlock button, press the panic button for 1 second, then release both buttons simultaneously. You should hear a chime within 3 seconds, confirming you've entered programming mode. Now that you are in programming mode, you have 30 seconds to program your first remote. On the same remote you just used, press and release the lock and unlock buttons at the exact same time. Immediately after that, press and release only the unlock button. You will hear another chime, confirming that this remote has been successfully programmed to your vehicle. This crucial step ensures your initial remote is recognized by the system. To program any additional remotes, including your existing ones, you must repeat the previous step within 30 seconds for each. For every new remote, press and release the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously, then press and release just the unlock button. Listen for a chime after each one to confirm it has been programmed. Once all remotes are done, simply turn the ignition to the OFF position and remove the key. Test all your remotes to ensure they function perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.